What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all these passion twists that I got from Amazon. The reason why I decided to do audio instead of letting you guys just hear me talk from the video is because it was just crunching up too much when I was moving that paper around, so I figured this would be a lot easier. But like I said, I got this hair from Amazon. This is my second time ordering from them, and I really like the hair. It's really soft. The last time I did my passion twist, I think it came with 7, which is the same amount that came with this pack right here, and I paid $30, $32, or $36 for it. Also, the length that I got is 18. It comes in 12, 16, and 18 length. I'll be sure to put the link in the description box, the exact link that I got these from. So it just came with that piece of paper. You also get those ugly rubber bands and beads, and also came with a edge control brush and that loopy thing, which I have no idea what it's called, but you know, you use it to lock your hair on and you pull it through, which I won't be using any of that stuff during the video. And as you saw, I just showed you the packs of hair, and I'm going to open it up and show you how it looks. Like I said, it's really good hair. And plus, I just recently dyed my hair, so I was very happy to see that they had like the exact color that I needed to do my passion twist. So in this next clip, I'm just basically showing you the hair. Once again, showing you how much it stretches out and everything. It took me about 3 days to get the hair. You know how right now Amazon, they're not shipping things out as fast, but it told me I wasn't gonna get this hair until April 19th, and I actually got it in 3 days. So I guess it just all depends on where the hair is coming from and what they have available. So this is what I'm going to be using for today. That was my leave-in conditioner. I also have my oil, growth oil, that I like to use when I'm doing my hair after I've washed it. And I also got this black castor oil hair food from Amazon as well, and I might put that link in the description box too, so you can get that. And then after I finish, I'm just going to add these blueberry and mint tea drop scalp treatment. It's really good. It makes my hair feel really refreshed after I finish like styling my hair. So that's just what I'm going to use after I finish. And then this is my like little mix. It's just water and I think it's like hair food or something like that, hair oil that I just mixed together. And that's just what I'm going to use to spray if I feel like my hair is getting too dry while I am doing my passion twist. And then this other thing I have right here, I just picked up from my local beauty supply store a while back, and I haven't used it a lot, but I think it's like some type of like hair oil or something. I might not be using that either, but just in case, I just got it. So for this first clip, I'm just going to show you how I do my passion twist. Everybody does them differently, and I just learned this method, I think, from another YouTuber. I can't remember her name right now, but this is just the easiest way for me. So I grabbed 2 strands and I put them together, and I also have my Eco styling gel, so you can use whatever gel you would like. I just put it on there and I mix with my oils. I make 2 parts like this, as you can see. And you can twist it up a little bit just to make sure they're separate for you, whichever is easiest. And then you're going to take both of the little parts, you're going to spread it on there, as you can see, as close to the scalp as possible, and then you're just going to twist. And then you're just like twisting it in itself, as you can see with my fingers, just twisting it. And then while I'm doing it, I'm adding gel, and I'm also adding that hair food, which is a little bit more like thicker and sticky, like shea butter or whatever. So it keeps my regular hair, natural hair, really moisturized, and it keeps it within the passion twist hair as well, because it's so silky and my hair is really coarse. And like I said, this is only my second time doing my passion twist, so I haven't perfected everything yet, but 2, I like my hair to be a little messy, so I really don't mind the way it looks or if it's coming out. If Anything, I'll just add a few gold little pieces to it, and you won't even be able to notice in the end. And again, I'm just going to show you it again. I think I'm going to show you guys like 2 or 3 times about how I do it, and I'm just showing you how that hair food oil looks like, or whatever it is. I don't know, but it works wonders. I love it. And some of these I did 2 strands, and then some of them I did 3 strands. It just depended on how thick I wanted them. But like I said, you can do as many as you want. You're literally just twisting your hair within your hair, and you can make it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. It's all up to you. But you just see how easy it is. Literally all you're doing is twisting, and you don't have to like tie the ends or anything, because the hair is so curly or wavy at the end, and it just curls up. So you just take it around, wrap it around your finger, and you just intertwine it and curl it out. Right here, as you can see, I had finished. I'm all done. I love the way it looks. It looks so great. I'm happy with my hair. Excuse my eye nanny, so it's their dog. But yeah, and then this is all the hair that I have left that I just showed you guys, and I'm just gonna wrap it for the night and get ready to go to sleep, wake up, and then I'll show you guys how everything looks. But I just used to wrap it like this. I don't use edge control or anything like that to do my edges at night. There's no point, because I end up rolling around. My scarf might come off or anything like that, and it's easy to bunch up. Yay, it's morning time. So I woke up, taking everything down off my hair so you can see it. Looks really nice. And now I'm going to use my scalp treatment. I'm just going to put it all over my hair. And then after I do this, I just like literally massage it in just to make sure I got it all over. Alright y'all, so it's going to be the end of my fashion choice tutorial. Just to let you guys know, it took me about 4 hours to do. They don't take long at all. The way that you can also braid them in, but I just like twisting them in because I like a more natural look. It looks like it's like coming straight from my scalp, and also I kind of like my hair like a little more messy and fuzzy and stuff like that. Anyway, so it just all depends on how you like to do it. But I hope you like this video, and I hope I gave you some insight on how to do a different way of your passion twist. Thanks. See you in my next video.